Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and today we're going to install the PGT Vinyl Awning Window. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the product and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here's the PGT Vinyl Awning Window. I'm now ready to unpackage the product safely. There's a hardware bag stuck to the side of the window that I'll save for later. From the inside of the window, I'm going to remove the screen to prevent damage to it. It's spring-loaded from the side, so I must push to the left, swing the right side out, and now I can remove it. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for the install. Starting with the right size level, impact screw gun, razor knife, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, tape measure, glass cup, and the appropriate sealant. To recap, I've now unpackaged the product and showed you some of the tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, I'm going to install the window into our masonry opening.